In the heart of every cynic lies a seed of faith, waiting to bloom. But how does a town transform from despair to hope? This is the story of one woman's unwavering belief and how it changed everything. Meet Sarah. Like many in her town, she faced hardship and isolation. But unlike many, Sarah never lost her faith. She gave what little she had and shared her light with everyone she met. Then came the day when Sarah's faith was put to the ultimate test. She gave her last savings to help a family in need. In that moment, something extraordinary began. Like ripples in a pond, Sarah's act of faith spread through the town, touching heart after heart. What was once a place of cynicism became a beacon of hope and community. And so we return to where we began, but with new eyes to see the miracle that has taken place. One woman's unwavering faith sparked a transformation beyond imagination. For when we stay faithful, God does the rest.